Sampson County in central North Carolina. Central Sampson County in central North Carolina. Southeastern Johnston County in central North Carolina until 3:15 p.m. At 2:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms extending from New Benson to 8 miles north of Clinton to 6 miles east of Ammon, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Clinton, Mount Olive, Fremont, Walnut Creek, Princeton, Highfield, Newton Road, Turkey, and Seven Springs. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly.